Hi everyone, welcome back to Blue Sky Cybersecurity. Today we are stepping into the shoes of a threat intelligence analyst to tackle the GrabThePhisher lab on the CyberDefenders. Our objective is to dismantle credential harvesting phishing kits, extract critical indicators of compromise or IOCs, and uncover the threat actor exfiltration methods. Let's dive in. After downloading and safely extracting the provided artifact, our first step is to perform an initial behavioral analysis. Opening the index.html file reveals the phishing lure. A fraudulent connect wallet page. By interacting with the interface, it becomes immediately apparent that the primary target for this credential harvesting campaign is MetaMask. This neatly answers our first question. Which lure identified, we need to pivot to static analysis. Browsing through the extracted directory structure, we are looking for the engine driving this phishing kit. We quickly identify a file named metamask.php. Opening this in a text editor confirms our suspicious. This is the core script handling the malicious logic, giving us the answer to the question too. A cursory glance at the syntax, which in that file reveals that the backend of this phishing kit was written in PHP, successfully knocking out question 3. Now let's analyze the codes to understand the adversary's recognize capabilities around line 14. We observe an API call to api.cypexgeo.net. Threat actor is utilizing the CypexGeo service to retrieve and log the victim's geolocation and machine information based on their IP address. Moving on, we need to assess the scope of the compromise by examining the log.txt file generated by the kit. We can see the harvested data. According to entries, we determine that 3 seed presses have already been collected. For instant response purposes, we need to isolate the most recent compromise. Looking at the bottom of our log file, we can extract the final seeds, press, feather win, resile, embody balance, concert, mechanic, believe, owner, cat, muffin, hockey. The most critical phase of our analysis is determining how the stolen credentials are being exfiltrated. Returning to the metamask.php source code, we inspect the data transmission block. The code clearly constructs a payload and pushes it out via the Telegram bot API. This is a highly common low-cost exfiltration medium used by modern threat actors. Because the threat actor hard-coded their infrastructure details, we can extract vital intelligence. Right within the URL string, we can isolate the Telegram bot API token, which is this long alphanumeric string starting with 545. Immediately following that, we find the destination chat ID 54427855564. Finally, threat actors often leave a digital signature. Scanning the comments left in the source code, we spot a message. This is a small gift to my brothers, read John Wick. This alias John Wick gives us a pivot point for future threat actor attribution, and with that, we have successfully analyzed the kit and completed the lab. Analyzing raw phishing kits, it is a fundamental skill for any SOC analyst or incident responder. If you found this walkthrough valuable, please leave a like, subscribe to Blue Sky Cybersecurity and me for more hands-on threat analysis, and let me know in the comments which lab you would like to see next. Until next time, stay secure. Thanks for watching me.